Hello! This time we are going to explore how to use the Deepco board. You can practice using the Deepco board within the Deepco Studio. First, click Create a New App button. Then, click Create New and Create button. When you enter here, give your app a name and design your own board app with visible tools. Once you've finished your design, click on the Deepco board to move it to the app. When connecting the Deepco board to your computer for the first time, you must connect it using a wired connector first. Now that you've connected it as shown in the picture, follow the video to connect the board and the studio via Bluetooth. Now that you've successfully connected the Deepco board to the studio, go ahead and move the sensors you want to use into the app. In this session, we're going to try using a DC motor. Once you've added the DC motor to the app, make sure to have the actual DC motor ready for the Deepco board as well. Now, let's go back to Deepco Studio and click the Block tab to start coding. And code so that the DC motor runs within the app, just like you see in the video. Once you're done coding, don't forget to click the Save Project button in the top right corner. Now that you've finished coding, click the Execution button to run the app. Click the Bluetooth button to connect the Deepco board with the app. When the Bluetooth icon turns blue, it means the connection is successful. Now that everything is ready, run the app and check if the motor is working properly. When you're finished testing, click the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Then click the Close button in the top right to exit the app. As you can see, you can easily create your own app using the Deepco board. Try making various apps using different sensors. This has been your guide to the Deepco board. Thank you.